So guys, welcome back to the channel. Anyway, so today what I'm going to be doing, as from the title of the video, I'm going to be making a realistic coal bunker. So this is one of my traction engines. I've already done it on the other one. King is coal for the back of the steam engine. So as you can see here, we have Fred Dibna. This is my old steamroller. Now to the back, I never actually had coal in it. I just put in a bit of timber first to kind of bring it up, because obviously the bunker starts here and I don't want to fill it all with coal and it'd be just wasting material more. So I just need it on the top and to get the desired effect. So I'm using real coal I got out of the coal bunker, broken up into lumps. So to start with, I'll just show you. So in this little box here, I've all it broken up. As you can see, it's a lot of coal dust and stuff from that, and then I just have a little like pot to mix it in. And then I have some coarse coal in this jar of bigger lumps. Now they're going to go on the top. So if I just zoom out, so I can actually get working. So I just have a jar with a teaspoon in it with a bit of water, because I don't need to add too much water in it. That's to activate the PVA. That's actually enough there now. It's just a small drop of water to mix it, to activate the glue. So as you can see, I start mixing it around, and a few lumps of coarse stuff. Just have the Leyland 482 in the background. Hold on, there it is. Yep, she's just parked there on the table today. Now the PVA takes a minute or two to get down to it's very runny stuff. I don't have that much left. I can't wait till the model shops open again and I can get my supplies replenished. Now that's because I think it's going to be in a bunker and stuff. It's not going to be as bad as, say, if it was a wall. You need a lot of glue for that, because it's a structural integrity. But when it's in a bunker, the bunker holds it together obviously, and it won't be moving. So you know, there's less need of a kind of a. And then I'll just add a bit more water, teaspoon of water. Now, and then we'll mix all that together. And so, I'm after mixing up, I think, a good mix of PVA kind of coal mix. Now, obviously that's well coated, and I didn't add too much water to it. Now, I added a bit more dust, coal dust to it, because to kind of make it, as you want the coal effect, you don't want it just mud PVA. So, we're just going to bring the bunker close, and we're going to start pushing it on. I'll put you close enough so you can actually see what I'm doing. So we'll see how this goes. Just start putting a few of them in. There's not much of it, like. The engine back, or the wheel back. Now that looks so good, especially with a bit of coal in the back. But I've actually a load of coal left over, so I'm gonna have to try and find another steam model I can put some real coal in. So yeah, I'll see you in a few minutes when I have another engine to coal or something. So guys, I went ahead and I coaled both engines. Now I did have to put a bit more coal onto this one as well, to try and make them look a bit better. Whoa.
Right. Step one. Oh, leg. Save. Moment. Leg.
steam engines coal, but they're coal filled up. I'm just going to wait a few days, as it takes a few days for this to dry, even a day or two, and hopefully we'll see what effect comes out on the coal and go from there. But I think so guys, you join me a few days later. I wanted to get this video out because obviously I want to keep my rule is always to either do one video a day, and I want to put out a few more videos at the weekend, so I'm going to get out today, hopefully on Thursday. So as you can see, the coal has dried lovely on both locomotives, or I keep saying locomotives, traction engines. And then yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. It looks so good, and it kind of finishes off the engines. Now this engine is due a new paint job as a touch up. I had to do a lot of work on this. There might be another video out on the work that I done on this, and there's a bit more work to do on it. One of the modifications I'm going to do is I want to make another one of these steerings. I made that myself. That's just one I got off another model. I want to put that type style of steering on this one, finish it off, so then it'll be 100% custom built, you know, instead of any parts pre-made. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this tip. Go check it out and try it yourself. Use plenty of glue. Obviously the glue it goes transparent then afterwards, so you can't actually see it. And I did use a small old toothbrush, I just used for modelling, and that just cleaned all the dirt, the bit of debris I had here. And yeah, so all the coal that's on there now is well stuck on, and same for the other one. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching, and yeah, I hope you have a good day, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Alright, 14 and 3 days long, so, you know, watch the car down here now. We're near the finish.